If you want to download your Evernote notebooks, the most important thing to know is that you need the Evernote desktop app. The web version does not give you the full notebook export options, so if you want to save everything properly, desktop is the way to go. In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can export your notebooks quickly and choose the right format for your needs. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump in. First, open the Evernote desktop app on your computer and sign in to your account if you are not already logged in. Once you are inside the app, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Notebooks. This will show you a full list of all the notebooks stored in your Evernote account. Now find the notebook you want to download. When you locate it, look for the three dots next to the notebook name. This is the More Actions menu, and it gives you the export options you need. Click the three dots to open the menu. From the menu, select Export, or in some versions you may see Export as PDF depending on how Evernote is displaying the option. This is the step that lets you save the notebook outside of Evernote. After that, Evernote will ask you to choose a file format. If you want to move your notes into another note-taking app later, choose ENEX. That format is best for importing into apps like Notion Alternatives, other note managers, or backup tools that support Evernote files. If you just want to read the notebook offline or share a clean copy, choose HTML or PDF instead. Once you select your format, click Export. Your computer will then prompt you to choose a save location. Pick a folder that is easy to find, such as downloads or documents, and confirm the save. Evernote will then create the exported file for you. If you selected ENEX, keep in mind that this file is mainly for importing your notebook into another app or keeping a backup copy. If you selected PDF, your notebook will be saved in a readable document format, and if you choose HTML, you'll usually get a folder of files that can be opened in a browser. So the best format depends on what you want to do with the notebook after downloading it. A quick tip, if you have multiple notebooks, repeat the same steps for each one you want to save. Open the notebook list, use the three dots, choose Export, and save each file separately. That helps keep your backups organized and easy to restore later. And that's it. You've now learned how to download Evernote notebooks using the desktop app, choose the right export format, and save everything safely to your computer. If this video was helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.